The spark plug uses the electricity generated by the ignition coil to create a spark, which ignites the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber. The intense heat in the combustion chamber, along with the high voltage used for ignition, will cause the spark plug to wear. The electrodes will wear away with use, causing a weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture isn't just right, the spark plug can become coated with carbon or tar, again causing weak or inconsistent spark. If the fuel mixture is too lean or the wrong spark plug is used, the ceramic insulator can be cracked. The spark plug should be inspected often and replaced at least once per year, or more often as needed. Replacing the spark plug is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spark plug boot from the spark plug. Now I'll remove the spark plug. Now I can install the new spark plug. Before I do, I need to make sure that the gap between the electrode and the strap is correct. In this case, it should be 26 thousandths of an inch. I'll use a gapping tool to set it. I'll check the gap, and right now it's a little bit tight. So I'll adjust the strap by bending it out until it's at 26 thousandths. And that looks good. With the gap set, now I can screw the spark plug back into the engine and tighten it up with the wrench. And I'll finish by reinstalling the boot. And now you can install a new spark plug in your gas power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.